Today we're embellishing this already beautiful skull ornament with an ombre scatter of rhinestones, and we'll be using a few sizes from the Serenity Dream Mix, along with a few magic sorting trays to keep us tidy. I have Ninja Super Tight Fusion tack in the applicator syringe, and placing everything with the sharpenable wax picker pencil. The embellishment is going to be at its most condensed at this edge, so I'm starting with this outline, and even though it is a neat outer edge, it is going to be a scatter embellishment style, so I am keeping the sizes mixed so that it can scatter outwards nicely. A scatter ombre is a fancy way of saying you place lots of random dots and you let it become less tightly packed the further out you go. And that glue is going to dry completely clear and waterproof, so when it is finished, you will have something that looks like this. These are crystal coloured crystals from the Serenity range, and this Dream Mix does also come in a B, as well as an ultimate version that includes some very exciting shapes as well. All of these different crystal sizes and more can be found at bluestreetcrystals.com, where you can get the look as well.